Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 11. Y is directly proportional to x square. According to the given information, the two variables are y and x square and both are directly proportional to each other. Y is directly proportional to x square, and to convert now we will convert the directly proportional into equality. To convert into equality, we have to multiply with a constant, and here the constant is k. K is constant in this equation. So y is equals to kx square. Further, they are saying that and y is equals to a for a particular value of x. They are saying that if y is directly proportional to x square and y is equals to a for a particular value of x, for any value of x, y is equals to a. For any value, any particular value of x, y is equals to a. So means that y will be equal to a. Putting y is equals to a is equals to kx square for a particular value of x. So this is equation number 1. Further, they are saying that find an expression for y in terms of a when this value of x is doubled. Now they are saying that now we have to find the value of a in terms of find the value of y in terms of a when this value of x is doubled. When this value of x, which is discussed, which is a particular value which is discussed in this part, when this value of x is doubled, we have to find the value of y in terms of a. So here the value of x is x. So when this x is doubled, it means that now the x will be the new value of x will be double of this value of x. So x complement means that the new value of x will be doubled of the last value of x. At this time, at this value of x, we have to find the value of y, and I am considering that at this time y is also y complement. We have to find y complement. So according to the given information, y is equals to kx square. Now the new equation will be y complement is equals to kx complement. So y complement will be kx complement. X complement is double of x. So y complement will be equal to k 4x square. So y complement will be 4kx square, and kx square at this value of x, kx square is equals to a. So we can say that y complement will be 4 and kx square is equals to a. So here will be a. So y complement will be equal to 4a. So the value of y in terms of a will be 4a. So this is the question number 11. Inshallah, in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.